Got another lesson for you from Machine Gun Kelly's 2019 album Hotel Diablo. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Glass House. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. Helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song uses a single riff. So to start, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and you're going to finger pick the A string, G string, A string, G string, A string, G string. Next, you're going to place your middle finger on the 9th fret of the low E string and your ring finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and you're going to finger pick the low E string, G string, low E string, G string, low E string, G string. Next, you're going to place your middle finger on the 12th fret of the low E string and your pinky finger on the 13th fret of the G string, and you're going to do the same finger picking pattern that we did on the previous chord. And then last, you're going to slide this shape down to the 7th fret, and you're going to do the same finger picking pattern again. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Glass House. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.